Man, it must be really cold out. I feel like I got frostbite. Hey, welcome to Bruce's Garage. I'm Bruce and this is my garage. I am super excited today because I get to test a new product that was just released like 2 weeks ago by P&S Detailing. And it's Frostbite, a new snow foam. Now, you may be wondering, what are we doing coming out with another snow foam product? There's so many out on the market. Well, this one's a little bit different, so they say. We'll see how it works. But this one has a pH of about 9.8, so it's a little bit up on the scale. Not neutral, it's more on the alkaline side, but not too strong. So it's kind of still going to be a bit gentle, but yet should have some cleaning power. I've got my 4Runner here that's got a reasonable amount of dirt. I'm going to snow foam it, and then I will do a contact wash, and we will just see how well this works and what the snow foam does for the cleaning. So I'm looking forward to it. Glad you're here. Come on in and let's have some fun. In preparation for our snow foam, the first thing I need to do is mix it in my foam cannon. So I have a MTM foam cannon, and I am going to mix this at a 1:10 ratio. So let's go ahead and mix this up. So I'm going to mix, as I said, 100 milliliters here of the Frostbite. Not sure what the smell is. It smells good. All right, so I've got about 100 mils in there. And I'm going to mix the rest with water. All right. Now I tend to like a thicker foam, so that's why I did the full 1:10. If you wanted a runnier foam, you could do less. And then once I have it in the foam cannon, I can give this a shake just to make sure all that's mixed up. Then we'll be good to go. So I'm going to head outside and we're going to get washing this vehicle. so here's my impressions of Frostbite Snow Foam. First of all, it foamed really nice. I would have liked probably a little more thicker foam. That is just me. I used a 1-to-10 mix. That is a pretty standard thick foam mix. But from a product perspective and the ability to clean, the foam was absolutely thick enough. The foam stayed wet, clung to the vehicle. The rinse is what blew me away because it rinsed so easily. No film left over. Then I did the contact wash, very slick on the surface, cleaned beautifully. So overall, fantastic experience. I would highly recommend you try Frostbite. It was interesting to me again because I have different snow foams, but this one's got some cleaning power to it. Remember the pH 9.8. If you're interested, I have links in the description, which will also get you with coupon code Bruce's Garage, all one word, will get you 10% off the P&S products. So I appreciate you watching today. Please give me a thumbs up if this was interesting or helpful to you. And of course, share, subscribe, be very grateful for your time. Thanks so much for coming into my garage. Have a great day.